I'm Simon Perriman. I'm here at Microsoft headquarters, and I'm going to teach you how to rename your files and folders on a Windows PC. You may wish to do this if you want to reorganize the structure of your folders, rebrand things, or just add versions or change the titles. Let's take a look at my Windows 8 PC now and see how to do it. Here you can see we have Windows File Explorer open. This is what we use to navigate around our different file system. You can see that I have a couple of folders and a couple of documents open. Naming both folders and documents is done in the exact same way. To simply rename one, we can select the folder, we can click Rename from the taskbar and name it eHAL1. Alternatively, we can right-click on it, select the Rename option, and name it from there. But my favorite shortcut is using the F2 key. Simply press F2 and it gives you the option to rename it immediately. You can also rename multiple files at once by either selecting Rename, right-clicking, or pressing the F2 key. And in this case, it's going to go and call them the same name, but go and index them by adding a 2 or a 3 at the end. Files can also be renamed the exact same way as well. Just select them, change the name, and click OK. Now, if you ever have a problem where you're not able to rename a file or a folder, there could be two reasons. First, the file or folder could be open and in use. If that's the case, simply close it, then you can rename it again. Another option, if you come across this problem as well, is to go and change the permissions. We can do this by taking a look at the properties of the folder, selecting Security, and under Security, you can see what all of these different users have access to and what they do not have access to. If you're an administrator, you can change these settings yourself, but if you're just a member of an organization and there's some security settings enabled on your system, you may need to contact your own administrator to go and change them.